What if Earth were the size of the schoolroom globe? So I have here Earth
A schoolroom globe.
as a schoolroom globe.
All right.
So we can ask the question, if this were the size of the Earth, how far away would familiar things be if this were the size of the Earth, the actual size of the Earth? So let me get the moon here. Okay, if this is the actual size of the Earth, this is about the actual size of the moon.
Okay.
Okay, relative
right,
sizes.
scale
Okay,
wise. Yeah.
So the moon is a little about the width of the United States.
And that's
Yeah.
about what that is.
That's about what this is.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I would ask you, place this at the distance you think it should be from Earth, based on everything you know. So go
So
ahead.
that's the size of the Earth.
Yeah,
This is the size of the
Yeah,
moon.
so where would you put the moon in its orbit around Earth?
So I'd maybe have it here.
Right there? Okay.
right
Chuck?
there.
So I'm trying to think, because here's the deal. What we're really seeing is reflection of the sun, which means nothing.
Yeah,
So
that's an irrelevant thought.
exactly.
Yeah, but go on.
Okay, I'm going to say that's the size of the Earth.
Yeah.
I'm going to say maybe about here.
Okay.
Long
'Cause
shot.
That looks like a day's flight.
Well, it takes 3 days to get
3
to the moon.
days,
It
right.
takes 3 days to get to the moon. So you're both wrong.
Okay.
Good.
Okay. On this scale, the moon would be 30 feet away
Holy
in the next room. So now what about planet Mars?
Mars.
So where would I put Mars? Mars is smaller than this, by the
Yes.
way. Mars is between the size
size
of
of
the Earth and the moon.
Right.
Okay?
Well, if this
So-
was 10 yards away,
Yes.
30 feet, right?
Yeah, 30 feet.
and it takes how long to get to Mars from Earth? Do we
Oh, he's
think?
going to do some math on this.
Oh, no, I'm not gonna do that. So
Okay. It takes 3 days to get to the moon.
Yep.
Takes 9 months to get to Mars.
Let's see, we're here in Manhattan on the Upper West Side.
Yes.
I would say if we were just going west, that ball right there would be in the middle of the Hudson River.
That's a very good estimate. This would be about a mile away.
Wow, look at that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Chuck nailed it.
Look at that.
You nailed it.
Nailed it.
hey,
So Mars is a mile away, and the moon 30 feet away. A mile would be 1.62 kilometers.
Yes, okay.
Whatever the conversion is.
Yeah.
All right. So back to Earth. How far away is the International Space Station?
Oh. Well, that's easier.
Okay. Where would
it's
it be?
closer.
Show me with your finger. Where would it be?
I'm going to say,
right about here,
Right about there.
where I thought the moon would have been.
yeah, I'm going to say maybe a little
about there?
closer. A little
Yeah.
closer.
Okay. Okay. International Space Station orbits 1 centimeter above Earth's surface.
Wow.
We are not in space, people. Let's just get real. The real deal is this. You've been lied to.
I'm just saying.
We are not in
When they
space.
say, I want to go into space and visit the space station, you are 1 centimeter above the Earth's surface.
Oh, that sucks.
You barely see the curvature of the Earth.
We suck.
Okay, let's keep going.
Let's not be so harsh on ourselves.
Okay, man, we all know what a centimeter is. It's
Yes.
4/10 of an inch.
Yes.
Okay, so how high up are the Branson Bezos billionaire boys race rockets going?
Oh, I'm going to say
than
that.
that.
They didn't even get off the ground. That's what I'm going to say.
So they went up the thickness of 2 dimes.
Oh,
Above the actual surface.
Above the Earth's
the globe
globe's
surface.
schoolroom globe. The thickness of 2 dimes. How about our friend Felix Baumgartner, who we interviewed for Star Talk? So he went the thickness of 1 dime above Earth's surface.
so what are we calling space?
So what they're trying to do, what the Bezos Branson folks, they're going above the Kármán line, which is this line above which there's not enough atmosphere to turn the sky blue in broad daylight.
Right.
The sky's blue because air is scattering sunlight.
Right.
It's selectively pulling blue out of the sun, scattering it above you so you can't see stars. There's an elevation, altitude above which there's not enough air molecules to do that. So you can see the sun in the sky and you'll see stars at the same time. Ooh. Okay, so the sky goes from blue to black.
What's up?
Okay, they call that the Kármán line.
Right.
That happens at the thickness of 2 dimes.
Okay.
So here's the interesting fact. The Kármán line is to Earth as the skin of an apple is to an apple.
And we are just dumping all kinds of crap into our atmosphere, and it's the skin of an apple.
Yes, is to an apple.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Right. So people think, oh, there's this infinite ocean of air above me.
No.
And no.
This is incredibly fragile.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
This is crazy.
Gary, you put down the moon. So you know about these bumps and wiggles here. Of course, you can rub your fingers over it, and they're ridges.
Yes.
Yeah.
Where we know there are well-known mountain ranges.
Right.
So
Relief.
Relief, yes.
Yeah.
So I feel that the Himalaya is there.
Right.
Okay. And then there's the Caucasus Mountains.
Mm-hmm.
If they were shown in proper size relative to the schoolroom globe,
Right.
if you ran your finger over it, you would not even know it was there. The height of the mountains would be smaller than the depth of the imprint of your fingerprint.
The ridges on my finger
Are deeper than the height of the mountains
on a globe.
on an Earth-sized globe. So you would never
feel.
you would never know they were there.
That's-
so the map makers are lying to you. But anyhow, so that's just fun with the
Fun with globes, baby.
fun with globes.
Yeah.
By the way, only 15% of Earth's landmass is below the equator. So it's most of South America, a bit of Southern Africa,
Right.
and all
of
of
Australia.
Australia and half of Oceania. And that's it. There's nobody down here. Right. And then I checked numbers, populations, statistics, and about 15% of the world's human population lives in the southern hemisphere. So it tracks.
Okay.
But 100% of the world's penguins, free penguins, are in the southern hemisphere.
Look at that.
The penguins
Free penguins.
They're penguins in captivity.
No, I know what you meant. It was just this. There's this group protesting outside.
The free
with banners.
penguins.
Free the penguins.
Yeah, all free penguins. Actually, it's not true. The Galapagos Islands,
That's right.
Oh,
right
yes.
there, are basically exactly on the equator, and that has penguins. So
it
some
depends where
penguins
they swim.
they might waddle below the equator. Then we
Right.
count them in the southern hemisphere.
Yeah.
So,
Exactly.
all right, this has been another Star Talk Explainer special edition with Chuck and Gary. Neil deGrasse Tyson here. As always, keep looking up.